We have a fantastic episode planned for you in this video. XRP will break out at $100. Everybody is anticipating Trump's next move. People are attempting to remove the tweets after sending shockwaves across the cryptocurrency space, but I've got you covered. Is a significant crash imminent, or is 100K the next aim for Bitcoin? I hope you're paying attention because there are regulations, large sums of money, and a market change like never before occurring right now. Without further ado, take a seat, unwind, and let's dissect it. Bitcoin is down 0.71% after 135 hours, and the hypothesis is that it will drop 1.25% at 2069. With both USDT and USDC trading at 99 cents as XRP has dropped back to that level, with strong resistance keeping XRP over $250 all the way to $3, and then the skies are clear. The fourth place is currently engaged in a struggle with Tether at the third spot, coming in at $2.44. In terms of the total amount of money in circulation, it is presently down 1.12% of the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization of $2.829 trillion, which is just slightly higher than the cryptocurrency's all-time high of 2020. Hey, summer will be here soon. Check out thecryptoshop.net, please. My merchandise store is there. We offer the most affordable pricing on the greatest products available. We provide free delivery on all orders over $35 and a variety of colors for the tank tops. We also have XRP. I'm going to buy this tank top since it's definitely my fave. Simply hold it in that check mark with the crypto chart. You see, we have a variety of hues. It's lovely. Check it out, people, even though I'm a pink sort of man. Don't be scared. Who stayed with us in the AVAX for so long? Only 110% were printed. This is in the Telegram group that is completely free as it gets. You can join it by creating a free account on BiFi, a no KYC, no VPN exchange, which will grant you access to the group that drops all of these signals every single day. We're beginning to track them all this week to demonstrate to people how much we're up on these longs. I found the link on YouTube and in the tweet. An intriguing experiment, but we are doing incredibly well. I posted this last night, and I'm getting called crazy by the market. Bulls are falling into a trap of a lifetime, bears are going to feast, and current prices won't persist. Take a look at this tweet screenshot. I'm not trying to be pessimistic, I'm just making sure that everyone is aware of what's happening in this market. What I see is a crash or a dip, depending on what term we want to use. The region is between 65 and 75,000. The sooner we arrive, the faster Bitcoin can reach its peak and rise again, surpassing its previous all-time high of approximately 108,000. In what way can we determine whether this dip or this crash will occur? It's really easy. I've been suggesting that we should get Bitcoin beyond 95,000, but at the moment, we're getting rejected when we get between 88 and 90. Let's see how today turns out. We'll have to see whether it can push up to 95,000 before continuing to chug. We think that will lead to a huge sell-off, as it has every time since we entered the market in 2017. I don't believe it. When Bitcoin was retesting that CME gap a few weeks ago, I discussed these levels and stated that we should pay attention to them. Bitcoin must rise over all of the levels in between, notably between 87 and 88,000. Even between 88 and 90 is just noise. That Martini guy says, look, we go back on the 85K. The 90K is that reach. 70,000 appears to be the next logical step down. Bitcoin is a reality. It's not a bad thing that the CME gap is sitting at about 85K. Everyone says that the bull will run over if this occurs. That is not true. Get rid of that mentality. To get rid of these longs, I think this is necessary. The bull run isn't over, it's still going strong. As I mentioned earlier, a bull cycle doesn't mean everything is up and down. There are deep corrections. They try to shake you up and get you out, and that's what I see them doing here. If people need to get liquidated, I believe they need to shake up retail a little bit before they can fully send the markets. Make no mistake, I am extremely optimistic about 2025. According to Jacob Kings and MicroStrategies, the average price of Bitcoin is $67,000. If we drop below this level, their entire Bitcoin wager will be in the red, probably leading to liquidation discussions, given that the seller was also the biggest loser of the entire dot-com bubble. I do not doubt that this bear cycle will see it materialize. When it happens, I'll come back to this post. You can call it anything you want, But according to Jacob King, we are in a bear cycle. Bitcoin drops back to between 65 and 75. You might say that we are in a bear market until it rises above 95, at which point we are once again in a bull market. All I'm saying is that 2025 is a bull run year and that corrections will occur all year long. It is up to the individual if we wish to continue changing the vocabulary to reflect what we are witnessing. In my opinion, 2025 will be nothing more than a bull run. There are rumors, let me explain. Let's discuss how XRP can reach the $100 milestone. What does a $100 XRP look like? Since I am aware that everyone wants to witness that. You want to see it, I know that. I am certain that I want to see it now, in 2025, and that's what I want to see. According to speculations, XRP will soon be available on Twitter with verified X payments. Elon Musk and Ripple reportedly met in the White House after Fox announced X payments. Folks, I'm not sure if this is accurate. With plans to launch a payment system later this year, X hopes to become a mega app and reach a wider audience. According to a post by X CEO Linda Yaccarino, X Money will link you in ways you never imagined. Money Rock, XTV, and more. Although Elon Musk has not yet made any public remarks regarding the launch, an official X Money account was established last month and currently has over 100,000 followers. Regarding a meeting with Ripple, I have no idea. We are aware that the X payment is imminent. Naturally, it would be a significant catalyst for the price of XRP to soar. Do you understand? But then we look at this, and for some strange reason, Crypto.com removed this tweet. Don't worry, though, since RIP made sure he discussed it on Truth Social. For 3 revolutionary ETFs, Trump's social media network teamed up with Crypto.com. In addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're discussing the first ever crypto basket ETF, which we've discussed in this channel for a while and which also includes XRP, Solana, and Crow. Do you want to discuss the large sum of money that is coming in? Do you want to discuss Trump's involvement in developing XRP-based ETFs with Crypto.com? You want to discuss the first important factor that will push XRP over the $100 threshold. What about global utility and institutional adoption? What if Ripple now starts to make public announcements about the significant alliances they have forged with central banks worldwide that will use stable currencies like Rust to transfer funds or the XRP ledger for cross-border payments? Keep in mind that anything that uses XRP is on the ledger. What about formally obtaining ETFs and regulatory clarity at last? At this point, the SEC v. Ripple matter is settled. It has been determined that XRP is not a security. Institutional investment will now be possible thanks to U.S. banks, hedge funds, and corporations lawfully storing and utilizing XRP. I think an XRP ETF will be approved this year, so welcome, Bank of America, and let's welcome in Wall Street people. We are discussing billions of dollars and new liquidity that is flowing into XRP from Wall Street. Then, how about Ripple expanding its on-demand liquidity to trillions in global payments, replacing Nostro accounts and SWIFT corridors? Everyone remembers that phony, or was it a phony tweet that was out there stating that Ripple has partnered with SWIFT to use XRP to replace the traditional financial system and to give it the upgrade with on-demand liquidity? You want to talk about a price catalyst. You want to talk about the price making an absolutely insane run-up. Well, Wall Street, you're welcome. What if that were the case? If companies began using XRP for real-time cross-border settlement, its daily transaction volume would soar, the demand for XRP would greatly outstrip its supply, making it scarcer. People, consider this, there are a lot of possible directions for this. This cycle of institutional demand and utility on these crypto assets is where we are headed. Utility will be crucial, it will be the primary driver of XRP.